What's up, guys? It's your girl Ray Fierce and I'm back with another video, and today we are back with another banger. Okay, as usual, today we're going to be reviewing a wig. This wig is from Niawigs, and I didn't unbox it, guys. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys here on camera. So this is what the wig, how it comes packages. It comes in a little wrappy, and it's a headband wig. Let me get it out the box and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit of specs about the wig. This is what it looks like. It's like a sleeve, and you pull the sleeve off and you open it like this. This is so cute, guys. I am here for the packaging. You open it like this. It's a gold box, and I actually did choose some headbands. So that's the first thing that I pulled out the box, was the set of headbands that I chose to actually wear the wig with. So this is what they look like. And then we have the actual wig. The wig comes in a regular smegular bag. It has a headband wig, non-lace wig, 22 inches, natural black. So yeah, it tells you the specs and everything on the wig, which is awesome, right? So you can know and see exactly what you purchased. So now we're gonna take the wig out. It came with a little wrap, and I got 22 inches in the wig, natural black, and it's a body wave. Ooh, that looks super pretty, guys. Super pretty, super luxury, luscious. I can't get my words out, y'all. It looks super luscious, and I don't have no hair, guys. So yeah, when I don't have no haircut, I got the on wig, because right now I don't got no haircut and this looking a mess to me. Some people might be like, girl, your hair looks fine. Like, no. Okay, I need a haircut ASAP. It comes with a band in it, so that way you can adjust it if you need it tighter, and it also has adjustable straps in the bag, and it comes with the comb. I won't be using the comb, don't need the comb, but yeah, it comes with adjustable straps, and it also comes with the combs on the side and also in the middle. See. And yeah, girl, let's get her on. Let's see what she hitting for. Let me try to get it right. Y'all, and my hair is blowing. If it was black, I probably could show a little bit of it, but sis, it ain't. Now, let's try on some of the headbands that the company actually sent. It doesn't look bad, and I like the wave in it. The hair feels very, very soft to the touch. Feels really good. I'm looking at my viewfinder just in case you guys are wondering, like, what is this bitch hearing? I'm just trying to see what kind of vibe I'm about to be getting out of this. You heard? Okay. So, let's open the headbands. I got like a cheetah print, because those are the ones I liked it the best. So yeah, we're gonna go with this one. Let's see what this one looks like. I actually went to the store and picked up some headbands, some ones that look cuter. Okay, that's the only thing. Okay, so this is how the headband looks. It's like a little turban headband. I would definitely wear something like this for sure. Okay, don't know what to do with my hair. I just need a wig to go with her fit. I definitely would do something like this. Like, yeah, at first I was like, baby, I'm bald headed. Like, really, what am I gonna do with this? Let me get my mirror. Yes, ladies, this is cute, especially for women who don't have a bald head like me and feel confident in going out in public and not really having nothing to do with your hair. Especially for my natural hair girls, okay? I feel like this is for y'all. Like, yes, honey, okay? This is definitely for you guys. And they have different styles of wigs. They have curly wigs, they have natural wigs, kinky. They have blonde. They have multiple colors of wigs. And yeah, guys, I'm really loving this. Let's see what it looks like with, cause I'm wearing this out today, baby. Hopefully I be getting a look. But first, let me try on. Let me get this one on. These the scarves I bought from the store. They was just real cute. Look like some little cute designer looking scarves. So, you know, we love a good designer. A little knockoff. But yes, I like this. This is a little light from the back. This is cute. Wow, bitch don't feel me nothing. Y'all, I've been hearing this music the whole time. But yeah, let's try to style this in a different kind of way and let's see what else she gives. Cause right now she's giving me, baby, giving me my Birkin. Okay, she's giving, where's my Louis? Yeah, you're supposed to have it here on time. Where is it? Okay. Honey, where's my dog? Did you take my dog for a walk? You didn't? Okay. Let me see. Just giving rich auntie, baby. Hold on, let me go get some baby. Who you playing with, honey? Who, baby? Girl, what? Okay, this is a good wig, baby. If you need to go in fight somebody, okay? Sis, who you thought you was playing with though? Who, sis? Yeah, it's a fresh cut under here, yeah. Come on, it's these fresh cornrows. Hey, it's funny. Yeah, I play all day. I play too much. Feeling this. Let's try out the other one that we bought. This one was real cute. I got these from the house store, y'all. They was like too high, $6.99. But they cute or whatever. Yeah, I always grab some. I could have did it tighter, but you guys get the gist. This is so cute. Little Barbie thing. But like seriously though, guys, if you don't go get you one of these, like what is you doing, sis? Like it's so easy. And honestly, I really didn't know what to expect when I got it. Like thought it was gonna be some bullshit, to be honest. But baby, she wowed me. Oh God. Take her out her little bun. I'm gonna try on the other headband things that I got for you guys so that way you can see what it looks like. But they did have a lot of different options on the site. Just in case you didn't like the ones I chose from the site, but it has different options. I'll probably put them on the side in the video so that way you guys can see what they look like. They have different options. So let's get into these ones. Like I said, I chose the cheetah pack. And you can put heat on this hair. I think this is Brazilian hair or human hair. Let me say this. And honestly, these ones are easier to get on. The ones that actually come with the site. So really, if you're looking for something that's really, really quick and you don't want to go to the store and buy anything, this is like an easy, quick fix. Okay, honey? And it's perfect for bald-headed people because, sis, like it covers up my sides so well. I don't have to show none of my hair, like, and I got a beat face. Bitch, you can't tell me I'm not bald under here, okay? And these ones go wide so that way it can really cover the band part. So yeah, keep that in mind. It's really cute. I like the other ones better. On my skin tone and my preference, I like the other ones better. But yes, I really like the wig, guys. Like, it's popping. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to go and hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. And also go check out the company Niawigs. Y'all, I hope I'm not saying their name wrong. Niawigs. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. N-I-A Wigs. Okay, so the link will be in the description box. Don't forget to go check them out on their Instagram and their website. And yeah, guys, go follow me on all my social medias, _RayFierce on Instagram, _RayFierce on Twitter. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Yeah, I'm really feeling it. Okay, let me let the camera do something.